In a world where power struggles often dominate the political landscape, it's refreshing to see leaders who prioritize the greater good over personal ambition. Mukanya Chiwenga is a shining example of this. His selfless actions in 2017, when he handed over power to President Emerson Mnangagwa, demonstrated that he is not driven by hunger for power. Tizandapinda mashoko otagwa panguva iyi naIsaac Makomichi atiri kuona nyogwa muzimu aya achinzi Chiwenga's uncommon decency, the unpower hungry leader putting Zimbabwe first. Notable subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipita mnamodo nyogwa mchinzi. Chiwenga's decision to step aside, despite being instrumental in the removal of the former president, Robert Mugabe, shows his commitment to the country's stability and progress. His stance on the Term Amendment Bill is a testament to his respect for the Constitution and the rule of law. Despite potentially benefiting from the bill, the principal has refused to campaign for it, putting the interests of the people and the nation above his own. This is the kind of leadership Africa needs, leaders who prioritize people over personal gain. When leaders are not power hungry, everyone benefits, the country benefits, the citizen benefits, and the economy benefits. On the other hand, power hungry leaders neglect the people, prioritizing their own interest over the well-being of the nation. Chiwenga's actions should serve as a model for leaders across the continent. By putting people first, we can build a brighter future for all. Let's hope that more leaders will follow in his footsteps, prioritizing the needs of their citizens over their own ambitions. Ndo mashikatoka na Makomichi achipreza VP Constantino Chiwenga chiri aiwa decency ya VP Constantino Chiwenga iri uncommon, akumbooneka vanhu vakaita sageneral. He was instrumental in the coup and akatopuwa mukana wekuti atungamirire nyika, but akati no, hatifanira kudaro. Pene comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko kuti right now tiona VP Constantino Chiwenga vachidefend the constitution, is not campaigning for amendments, ari kuno kunzi haasi kusave the people. Musangana subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.